Hi again, welcome to your morning messages for Thursday, the 2nd of September. If you have a look at your timetable, you can see what we've got on today. Don't forget to have listened to the devotion and you can click on the links there. Then you've got spelling, Unit 12, that's in your spelling pack. Some people have got an alternate spelling. If that's what you've got, then that's fine. Just go ahead on the next page of that spelling. Make sure you're reading and filling in your reading log. So that is for at least 20 minutes. You should be reading in stage 3. And today we're going to Parliament House. So this is the new Parliament House, the current one that's being used. And it's a special education section, which is the Parliamentary Education Office. Make sure you can click on that link. If you can't access the link, please message us on Dojo or Teams. And you'll also see the links there. But make sure that you can set that up and you've got that ready to go at 10 o'clock. Maths today, Year 5 is lesson 9.4. It's very important for you to watch the instructional videos. So we're making instructional videos for each lesson. Now you know that at school our lessons go for about 50 minutes before we start even looking at our book. What we don't want you to do is just open up your book and start filling in the pages. We want you to listen to the lesson, go through the explicit teaching that we're doing with you, do what we ask you to do in the times that we ask you to do them, and then at the end of that, you go ahead and complete your Stepping Stones maths book. Make sure you start off with your times tables warm-up and then watch the instructional video and then start your Stepping Stones book. If you have any questions, please let us know. You can see after that then we have got Year 6 is doing the test in their booklet. So you need to check that you've got your Checkup 2 for Year 6, please, for maths. And then at 2 o'clock, don't miss this one, Questicon. In your pack, you have got 2 pieces of plain A4 paper, and you will need that for this seminar because we're going to be making some pretty cool paper planes. So if you could have that ready also by 2 o'clock, that will be awesome. Just message us if you need us. We're here to help you. Please look at what we've got on the links on Teams. If you're having any issues with it, please let us know. And we'll have a good day and we'll catch up with you again tomorrow. Thanks, guys.